Welcome everybody to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. God bless you. Today, we'll be doing more of a practice question. Let's see if your grammar is actually sound. Or let me say, do you think you're good at grammar? Let's find out. If you can answer these 10 grammar questions, each covering a different grammar rule, then your English is amazing. And if you're a native speaker watching this, don't be too confident. Some English learners may score higher than you. I've also created a free PDF guide with detailed explanation and interactive exercises. Click the link in the description box to download it. Now let's begin. Question 1. Which sentence is correct? Had I known, I would go. B. Had I known, I would have gone. Time starts now. Had I known, I would have gone. This is a third conditional with inversion. Question 2. Choose the correct sentence. A. He hurt himself while playing football. B. He hurt himself while playing football. Which is correct? The time starts now. He hurt himself while playing football is definitely correct. Himself is the proper reflexive pronoun. You failed anyone? Don't give up. No, that's not the spirit. Let's continue. Question 3. Which sentence is correct? Never before I have seen such a view. B. Never before have I seen such a view. Time starts now. This is an inversion with negative adverbs. So, the answer will be, never before have I seen such a view. Did you get it? Amazing. And if you did not get it, don't give up. You're learning, remember? When we start a sentence with never before, the subject and verb are inverted. Now, which is correct in British English? A. The team is playing well. B. The team are playing well. The time starts now. The team are playing well. Amazing. In British English, collective nouns can take a plural verb. Question 5, where have we gone? Which sentence is correct? A. I need to lay down. B. I need to lie down. Wow! This is a common sentence. So let's learn which is correct. I need to lie down. Correct. Lay simply means to put something down. An object, a thing. Lay the book on the table. While lie means to recline. I need to lie down. Question 6. Are you ready to go? Which is correct? A. It was an historic moment. B. It was a historic moment. Which is correct? Your time starts now. An is used before vowel sounds like an ha, while a is used before consonant sound like a historic moment, because historic starts with a h sound. Reflexive classes. Question 7. Which sentence is correct? The man that car was stolen is my neighbor. B. The man whose car was stolen is my neighbor. Easy peasy, right? But your time starts now. The man whose car was stolen is my neighbor. Correct. Whose shows possession. Number 8. Almost done. Which sentence describes an annoying habit? A. He will always leave his shoes in the way. B. He always leaves his shoes in the way. Last ones are known to always behave like this. So, the first ones give us the answer. The time starts now. When you say he always leaves his shoes in the way, that is a general habit. But when you say he will always leave his shoe in the way, there's an emphasis there. By adding will, it is annoying, you're tired, he will always do it, no matter how hard you try to stop him or her. Number 9. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? Listen. My brother who lives in Canada is visiting next week. B. My brother who lives in Canada is visiting next week. The time starts now. My brother who lives in Canada is visiting next week. Correct. The commas show extra information. The last question. Are you ready? Let's give a drum roll. Which sentence is correct? A. I wish I was taller. B. I wish I were taller. Don't rush. Time has started. I wish I were taller. It is wrong to say I wish I was taller. This is common. Please, let's stop using it. It is I wish I were taller. Use were for hypothetical situations. Now, for more explanation of this, you need to go to www.poga.com.ng. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comment section. For detailed explanation and practice exercises, yes, more practice exercises, click the link in the description box, www.poga.com.ng, to download your free PDF guide. Before you go, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next lesson.